In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on Mitrade app. Now, the first thing you have to do down at the bottom, you want to tap on the trade button, which is the second one. There we go. And then you must find something you want to trade. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to trade some Bitcoin over here on my demo account. So I'm going to tap up top and type in Bitcoin. There we go. And then I'm going to tap on search bottom right, and it's going to find Bitcoin. Now, of course, you can trade whatever you want to. This is just a tutorial. I'm going to show you an example of how to do this. So I'm going to tap on Bitcoin over here. And then as you can see, it's going to pop me up the chart over here, and I can see basically all about it. I could go ahead and of course go in history, go back and see what's going on currently. And if I'm basically ready to place a trade, all you have to do is you have to scroll down a bit. And then as you can see, you can read basically all the different things. You can read the data, stuff like that. And when you want to make a purchase, when you want to place a trade, just at the bottom, you can see that it says Bitcoin and then 2. And then below that, it says sell or buy. So you can tap on buy or sell. So for example, I'm going to tap on buy right now, and it's going to open up this buying panel. Now in here, you can again select up top if you want to either buy or sell. So I'm going to buy right now, and then you have the order type, which could be either market or pending. So a market order, what this does basically is it buys at the current market price. So you can see the current market price up top. It's going to buy at that exact price. But if you want a pending order, which is basically like a limit order, you can set your own price when you actually want to purchase or sell a specific asset. So I'm just going to go with a simple market order over here, and then you have to select your quantity over here as well. So I'm just going to do 0.005 right now, and then here you can select your leverage. Now I'm just going to basically leave it like it is because this is a demo account, but of course I'm no financial advisor. Make sure you know what you're doing before you get yourself into this. I'm just showing you how to actually perform these actions on my screen. Now over here you'll be able to see your margin required and then the available balance. On my demo account, as you can see, I have enough. And then if you want to add a take profit, just tap on the toggle button over here, and it's basically gonna add a take profit. You can then set whatever you want it to be. You can do the same with a stop loss over here, and you also have the option to basically put a trailing stop if you want to additionally down here at the bottom. Now when you've done that, you can just tap on the buy button at the bottom, and that way you'll place a buy trade. Now of course, if you want to sell, the exact same thing applies. You can just tap on sell at the top, or out here inside where you can see charts and stuff like that, you can go ahead and of course start by tapping sell at the bottom, and then from here you can just set this up. You could go if you want the order type to be market or pending, and basically the rest is the same. You just have to set it. You have to set how much you want to sell or buy, and then just tap on the sell or buy button at the bottom, and that's basically going to place a trade for you. So if I tap on buy over here, for example, as you can see, it says position opened, and there we go. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.